is yours.
Thank you, our church. I appreciate to be here. I'm going to start with my name. I'm Doreen Mukaya from Kisii. I'm a singer. I sing gospel song, but now I'm going to give you Kisii song. That's Tatankuiranari.
Yes, Doreen.
Mnaweza sikia na Mungu akaweze kuwabariki masaa kama haya na tuzidi kuinuliwa.
Yes, Doreen, welcome. Our churches are with us here. We have Church Vincent, we have Church Sipora, and they are going to listen whatever you're going to do. So we wish you all the best.
Thank you so much. Tata koiranale kayo sayodave kayo senchendave tata koiranale kayo sayodave onye n'ichibuku twaigorelwe onye nukora ndyatwara nderiwe toti ebibe korende tumiremetwe papa titori koiwa korende tumiremetwe papa titori koiwa tata koiranare kaigo sayorabe tata koiranare kaigo senchendave kaigo senchendave hekeron koinyoro chawa tata enseye omorero no kekebemberia kenene abarene bibemba rutwaya somorero abara baemba yendenere igoro aseigoyo minto totie bibe tonchoke totie bibe tatango chare totie bibe togendenere